Welcome to Cultivating Contentment. We are on week 5, day 2 of our study. This week's topic is the verdict. And before I move to our scripture for today, I just want to kind of go back to something that we've talked about before. So we've considered the complaints of Job and followed the murmurings of the children of Israel. Now, for the rest of this week, we're going to take a look at another petulant prophet, Jonah. So our verse for today is from Jonah chapter 4, verse 1. But to Jonah, this seemed very wrong, and he became angry. So my question for you is, why is Jonah upset? What is it that prompted him to be upset? And so we're going to build on this throughout the rest of the week. So you might want to look that up and find out what was going on with Jonah. So our quote for today comes from Sheila Walsh. What Christ cares about is our hearts, our complete love and devotion, and he will create crisis in our lives to show us what holds us. I'm not sure I totally agree with this. I'm not really sure that he creates the crisis, but we do have crisis in our life. And if we're walking with him, then he is faithful to show us the way through that and to hold us through those times. So that would be my only comment on that particular quote is I don't know who creates the crisis, but he certainly is there to help us through it. So question 3 today, even Job admitted to his listeners, it's not you I'm complaining to, it's God. And that was in Job 21:4. How does the Bible describe these heaven-bound complaints? Both Exodus 17:2 and Deuteronomy 6:16 give us God's perspective on them. So that will be where you can go to find that. And then question 4, God is patient, God is long-suffering, God is merciful, but the children of Israel's unbelievable ingratitude finally brings on some consequences. What happens in Numbers 11:1? And some of you alluded to his patience finally wore out, and that's not the God that we usually hear about, but read Numbers 11:1 and find out some of those consequences. So I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy, and blessings to you, and we'll talk tomorrow.